Hey guys, Ryan here at Signature Edits, and I just wanted to give you a really quick sneak preview of our photographer pricing guide. What's inside, what it looks like, how easy it is to edit. So inside this guide, we have a kind of 6-page mini version of our full photography pricing guide. So here's the full guide. You can see we've got 2 cover options, client testimonial, hello section, more testimonials, what makes us unique, different packages, albums, prints, FAQ, everything that you need to really wow your clients. Now, the difference with this photographer pricing guide is just the mini version. So we have everything that you need, the really core fundamentals. We've got one testimonial block here, a hello and welcome section, your packages and albums and prints, as well as a page of FAQ, and then an end page. So you have pretty much everything you need. If you're more of a short and concise person, this guide should fit you perfectly. Let me show you how to edit it, how easy it is. Everything is totally customizable. So I'll start by getting rid of this thank you screen and dive in here. So all we have to do to insert images is just double click in any of the image placeholders. I've got some photos pulled up here already, so I'll just grab an image at random. And of course, you take a little more time finding the right images for your guide, but for the sake of this, I'll show you how great it looks even with just really quick choices. So there's my first page, done. Now, if you have a lighter image and you want to insert it, we also have a light version of the cover. So I'd go ahead, grab something that's a little brighter. Let's say this one maybe. That's probably still too dark. But if you had a bright and airy image and you found the dark version didn't work, well, you could hop on over and use this one instead. As you can see, I've just made 2 covers. There's my dark, there's my light. All right, now I'd keep going, and you could go ahead and edit your text just by double-clicking on a text layer. So I go over here, and I'd put in Ryan's Photo Studio. Perfect, center that text. And if Photoshop is unnerving to you, it's intimidating, all you have to do is watch the step-by-step video guide, which comes with this template. So it's really, really simple to do that. And then we're just going to go through here, add all of our images. It's so simple, so quick. You can have the whole thing done in probably 15-20 minutes if you're okay with Photoshop. Now, if Photoshop's a little new, maybe budget 30 to 45 minutes. Now, of course, Photoshop is saying I'm a little grumpy right now. There we go. Okay. There's our testimonial here. You'll see it's now been updated. Bam. I go in, I'd edit my text. I'd add everything that I need. This is a testimonial. And it's really as simple as that. So I go through, I create my guide, and then I can export it to a PDF, send it to my clients in emails, and really just create a wow first impression. So that is the photographer mini pricing guide, or you can look at the full 17-page version too if you prefer that one. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I will wish you luck and say goodbye.